So in this video, we're going to go through the process of uploading a template into Colleague 7. That's to say that you have a Word document template that you've created and you want to now upload that to 7 so that when you're creating a document, that document accurately reflects the Word formatted template that you've created. What I'll do to start with is just show you that template that I've created here. So this is our example Word document, and then I'll return to this in a second. But within admin and under templates, if we go into templates, what you'll see is you've got two options here. One is a new template, the other one is to upload a template. So if you press new template, this is to create a template within the online editor mechanism that we have, which you utilize for email templates predominantly, but you can use for document templates as well. But that's where you would enter your actual content within the HTML editor within here, which works for some scenarios, but for others where you want to kind of strictly dictate the formatting so that you have, for example, headers and footers, incorporated logos. As an example, uploaded templates are suggested as the new norm in terms of the way in which you'd go about managing that. So what you'd do is you'd select upload template as an alternative option, and that will give you some options here. What you do is, the type option of default of document will be set. You can only have a document as an upload template. You can't have an email as an upload template, and the scope will dictate which merge fields will be used with this document. So where you plan on running it from the system. So we'll say candidate because we're going to upload a candidate registration document, and then we choose the file. So let's choose the file, and as per the Word document that I've shown you here, we're going to choose that file here, and I'll revisit that file in a second. We then enter our description. So as I say, this is going to be a candidate registration template. And then we then come to the merge fields. Now the merge fields within the system when you're creating an email template or when you're creating a document from an entity record, the merge fields are often available as a drop-down option here. But what we're doing in this scenario is we're uploading an external document into the system. So we're not able to utilize merge fields in the same way. Instead, what we can do is we can reference merge fields within the template that we're uploading, and then they will be automatically converted into usable merge fields as part of that upload process. Hopefully that makes sense. So within off the link option that you have here, it will take you to the help file. It will take you to a list of available merge fields that you can use here. And if we go back to the document, the template that we're uploading, you'll notice that I've got these merge fields, or a couple of these merge fields, in place here. And on the second page of the file, I've actually copied all of the optional merge fields that you can upload against this entity type, at least anyway, on that second page, just so you can see that it's been converted. So if we go back to the template area, we've also got an option of including a default document. So that's if you want to merge this document that you're going to be uploading with a default document. So that's for scenarios of cover letters, or if you're perhaps merging terms of business, contracts, that sort of thing. You've got the option of formatting CVs as a prominent use. You've got the option of include default document there, but we'll set that as no in this instance. And then we'll hit save template. So when we hit save template, what that's then doing as a process is it's uploading the file and converting the merge fields. If it had any issue with some of the merge fields on the way, you'd be warned. But what I'll now do is I'll hit or select uploaded. We'll limit the scope to candidate, and then we can see there our candidate registration template is there. And if I select that candidate registration, it will load the template, and you'll get a previewed version of that file. It won't be the exact version of the file because it's a HTML preview version of it, but you'll get a view of it there. What you can then do is edit that template if you wish. So you can select to edit it, we hit yes there. That will open up a new tab and open it within Word Online. So you can see your template that you uploaded and see essentially that file in place. And what you should be able to see there, you'll notice that the header incorporated that logo option as well. And you'll see that the merge fields have all converted as they should have done. We'll close that down. And then what we'll do, now that our template has been put in place, what we'll do is we'll go to a candidate record. As our example, and then we'll create a registration letter based on that template. So within the candidate record, you obviously have the option of create document, and then from the template selection, you'll see templates, and you'll see that they've got a section of uploaded or web as the type of templates that are behind them, but we obviously created this candidate registration template was the one that we recently uploaded. So we'll select that, and then you'll see that it gets the template, uploads it, and then it creates the file. And then you'll see now that we've got this template in place, or this letter that's been converted. It's brought through the merge fields as it should have done. If we scroll into the second page, you actually see all of the merge fields have been converted as you'd expect. And then what we'll do is we'll create or we'll save as a Word file. And then let's open that document. And you can see there that the document has been created, the merge fields have come through, the images are retained, and this is the second page where all those merge fields were there, just to demonstrate those details coming through into those merge fields, and obviously the header is there as you'd expect it to be. So that's the process that you would follow as part of doing an upload template.